Okay, so thought I would show you basically what your side yard width will kind of look like. So you're gonna have a sidewalk, and then your house will be so far, because if we choose the corner one, now this is when I show you this one, it's the one that's supposed to close in May, but that's how much side yard you'll have to be able to work with. So let's come back over here, because this is the corner lot. This is 2132. And this is the one that's available in May. So imagine your sidewalk and a little bit of still HOA space or green space, you know, and then your yard will cut into here. You'll be able to put up a fence. This one is the one that's the most ideal, I believe. Now, granted, I'm going to go take a video of the other one, but this one you can actually see you have a lot more space to be able to tuck in, you know, extra pad as well as your hot tub. I'm going to go over this fence. It's what? Oh, it's okay. So I don't see any stakes, unfortunately. So it's hard to say, but that, of course, is going to be your side yard. See your pedestrian door right there for the garage. And then the back of the home. Still have plenty of space. But remember, your setback here is only 5 feet. So 5 feet out, so somewhere right here in the middle, you could put up a fence and go all the way down. But I mean, at least you're going to get more space here. And then on that side, but this is the May closing property. Let's go take a look at the other one.